Hey guys, welcome to T.C.E. Slime. I'm Ty, the T in it. So today we are going to be making a clear slime with glitter in it. This is I think all mostly from Joann's except for this. And this is from the dollar store. But now, so we're gonna get straight into the video. I really like slime, and this is like our first slime video that we posted, so it's gonna be kind of interesting. So we're gonna start by adding 2 cups of borax, 2 teaspoons of borax, to this water, and then mixing it till it dissolves. Sorry, I'm bad with measurements. Is this like good? Okay. So we put 2 of those in, 1. 2. Now we're gonna mix that with this till it dissolves. If it's a bit cloudy, that's okay. Try to make it as clear as you can. Okay, I think it's all mostly dissolved now. So now we're gonna put this aside, and we're going to start with our glue and water. So I'm gonna put until we fill this in. This is clear glue. I'm gonna put it in till it fills the bottom of it. So just put it all in. Ooh. This is a wide tub, so it's gonna be bigger than you think it is. Okay. I want to try to get all of this glue in so it's bigger. Okay, I think I got most of what I can get in. So now we're gonna add this much water. I'm not actually sure how much this is, but we're just gonna add it in. The whole thing? Mm-hmm. Oh. Now, we add the glitter. So I'm gonna put a lot in because I love glitter. Comment down below if you love glitter. And is blue your favorite color? Mine is pink. Ooh, that's nice. Now we're gonna add our borax solution. I feel like a professional slime maker. How much?
Just a little bit.
Okay, I'm gonna put this on the table. I'm gonna put that that much in, and then I'm gonna mix it. I have a really big spatula.
Keep going.
We're gonna add a little more water. Borax. Here it is. So, I really like making slime. Comment down below if slime I'm gonna add a little more. Comment down below if slime triggers you or you really like it. I have only a few slimes. I've only made a few. I've made a normal slime. I made a pink normal slime with pom-poms. I made a purple slime with googly eyes. A normal slime with glitter. It turned out really weird. It was my actual second slime that I made in my life. And then my first one was a pink glitter slime. As I mentioned, pink was my favorite color, so I used a lot of it in slime. We were gonna make this purple or something, but we didn't have liquid food coloring, so we couldn't. But if you want to make it any color, you can. You just need liquid food coloring, and then all you're gonna do is you're gonna dip it in with the glue, and then mix it. I think now we might need a little more borax. I'm gonna mix that all in. I hope this doesn't get overactivated. I will be making more slime videos later, and here's a little hint. I'm going to make a spooky slime or a Halloween slime. I think now is the time to start going in with our hands. Ooh. I'm gonna take. If you have like a spatula and it sticks to it, try to get all of it off so that you can get. I'm gonna place this here. I really like clear slime. It's just nice. Because you can see like stuff if you put it in. My favorite slimes out of the ones that I made so far is probably I think one of my more recent ones. I made slime like about 2 days ago, and I'm gonna try to speed this up. I think we need a bit more borax. My favorite out of the ones that I made is probably the pink one. It's really nice. It's just a normal slime. There's also a blue one that I made. I don't have it. This is my second blue one though. I made it with my cousin, Claire, and she is the C in T.C.E. So, it's coming kind of watery, but that's okay. Ooh, it's becoming really nice. This is the slime. Comment down below if you like this slime, and definitely try this recipe out. Clear slime is just really fun. Should I put it on the table? Okay. Now I'm just gonna knead this in my hands for a little. Oh, this is really nice. I like making sounds with slime. It's one of my hobbies. So, I'm gonna tell you a story about a slime disaster. So one night I was in my bed and I was playing with my pink glitter slime, and ooh, that's nice. I was playing with my pink slime. I think this is becoming slime, guys. That's nice. This looks like kind of a mermaid or like a sea. So anyways, I was playing with slime and I did not notice that the slime had tipped over. It had tipped over on my blanket, one of my stuffed animals, and my bed sheets. So you probably knew that that was a disaster from that point on. So then we had to try to remove everything. And then I noticed on my other blanket there was a bunch of slime. So it all went downhill from there. I had to sleep with no sheets for a night, but it's all fixed, sort of. It's still a little. I think I can put this on the table now.
Okay.
Can you guys see? Oh, never mind. That was a fail. This table is getting used. Anyways, so that was my first slime disaster that I ever had. I'm gonna do this again for you guys. Oh, tore. Okay, so that is how you make clear glitter slime with Clear Elmers Glue, Borax, and glitter. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Here is the finished product. Definitely try this out at home. And for the borax, make sure you ask a parent before getting out that borax and like doing all that stuff. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching and enjoying making this slime with me. I hope you guys have a really good day. Okay, bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, hit that notification bell to stay tuned and see all of our amazing slime videos. Wink.